Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about the Cortexi supplement review. Today I'm also going to talk about how Cortexi targets the root cause of hearing loss and how it will help you to overcome the hearing loss problems. So stay till the end of this video because this is really going to help you in the future. Cortexi is a supplement that is meticulously formulated with all the natural ingredients at an optimal ratio to yield superior results. This potent hearing support solution serves as an enduring energy booster throughout the day. Through the consistent use of Cortexi hearing support formula, the nutrients within the supplements adapt to your body, contributing to improved hearing and relief from persistent sensations in the ear. It is designed for the convenience. Cortex is available in the form of dietary drops, allowing for the regular and the effortless consumption. The Cortexi Health Ear Health Supplement also offers various options to accommodate individual preferences. The manufacturer stands behind the product with a no hassle money back guarantee, underscoring their confidence in the formula's effectiveness. Now, let's see who formulated the Cortexi supplement. Cortexi Ear Health Supplement was formulated by Jonathan Miller. He developed this formula after years of hard work and research along with the experts around in the world. With the consistent use of this formula, hundreds of customers have been benefited positively. Now let's see some of the ingredients that are used in this supplement and their key role. Grapeseed. It is an ingredient that is rich in antioxidants and oligomorphic complexes that provide cardiovascular benefits. Green tea. This cortex ingredient is rich in antioxidants and helps to protect the bone, brain, heart, and health, etc. Capsicum annuum. This cortex ingredient that is effective in managing blood glucose levels and helps in healing wounds. Other major cortexi ingredients are panax, ginseng, astragalus, chromium, physalit, and maca root. All the cortexi ingredients are effective in boosting the overall health and supporting various health conditions. They are known for their healing properties and are rich in antioxidants. But to see all of these results, you must be committed to it and take it every single day. Otherwise, you won't see any results. And if you feel very frustrated about it, so do minimum treatment for at least 3 months. All right, or you can complete the full treatment of 6 months for getting better results. And in addition to all of these benefits, they also offer a 60 days money back guarantee, so you can actually test it for the whole month. And if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to their official website and ask for a refund, and they will return all your money for 100% sure. So you have nothing to lose here, my friends. All of these benefits, you just remember I told about the important alert. So now let's talk about where to purchase the Cortexis supplement. You can find the link in the description box below that will redirect you to the its Cortexis official website, and you can purchase directly from over there. And also if you purchase from over there, you will get huge discount on each and every bottle.